Today we are going to make air fried chicken. The beauty of using an air fryer is that it reduces fat and calories of traditionally calorie-dense foods. This recipe is fast, easy and absolutely delicious. So here is what you'll need. 1 kg chicken, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, olive oil and 200 grams of corn flakes. Let's get started. Score the leg pieces and slice the chicken into half-inch stripes. Put the chicken in a bowl. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Sprinkle in salt, chili powder, pepper powder, turmeric, garam masala and Kashmiri chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Now pour 3 tablespoons of olive oil and mix. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and whisk it. Then keep it aside. Take another bowl, put the cornflakes and crush them twice. Dip the marinated chicken pieces in the egg and roll them in crushed cornflakes. Repeat. In the air fried basket, place the butter paper and grease the paper with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Place the chicken pieces in the air fryer, ensuring that they don't overlap. Set the temperature at 130 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip and cook for another 10 minutes and dish out. Tender and juicy air fried chicken is crispy outside and delicate on the inside. This is bursting with flavor and so good. Enjoy recreating this in your kitchen and let me know in the comments. Happy cooking!